I am Orpheus Praxis. Welcome to my channel, where science meets reality. Today, we're not merely discussing physics, we're uncovering the hidden fabric of existence. We're challenging long-held assumptions and outdated theories, and I'm here to show you that the vacuum itself is the true foundation of the cosmos. 1. Rethinking empty space. For too long, physics has focused on particles, forces, and fields, treating space as a passive backdrop. But what if space isn't empty at all? The vacuum is a dynamic structured field, a seething medium of quantum fluctuations and virtual particles. Its energy density around Dürr sub-vacuum sub-10 minuscule quote-unquote percentage first might seem minuscule, yet it exerts a profound negative pressure. P sub-phi vacuum equals sub-vacuum particle filtered. This negative pressure isn't a mathematical curiosity, it's the engine behind the accelerated expansion of our universe. The fluctuations in the vacuum are described by a wave function. Start pulse sub-vacuum pliers EIKX minus NAKPT. These aren't random occurrences, they are the fundamental pulses that drive reality. Introducing the wave function of the void. At the heart of this new understanding is the wave function of the void, Prex sub void. This function isn't just a probability distribution, it's the blueprint of existence, linking energy, space, and time. Sub void TR equals C's passier I K R minus OK. Every ripple in energy density and every quantum fluctuation is encoded in void. It governs how space expands, how entropy always increases, and even how the arrow of time is defined. Essentially, the vacuum isn't just a passive arena, it actively shapes the dynamics of the universe. Moreover, the very speed of light emerges from this dynamic interplay. Consider the relation and see delta A, delta V here. Changes in area, delta A, and volume, delta V, of a region of space underscore a deep connection between geometry and a fundamental constant. Triangles 3. Light, dark energy, and the dynamic vacuum. We tend to imagine light as merely traversing an empty void. But if we see the vacuum as an active field, then light's journey becomes much richer. In this framework, light interacts with the vacuum's energy. Its pressure is not arbitrary, it's tied to dark energy by and sublight, light, sub-dark energy. R French fries fry, this tells us that the pressure from photons is directly linked to dark energy, the mysterious component that makes up roughly 72% of our universe's energy budget. Dark energy is not an external force acting mysteriously from afar, it is an emergent property of the vacuum's wave function. When we view the cosmos this way, dark energy becomes a predictable consequence of Fashrai sub-void sub. The vacuum structure naturally redistributes energy across vast distances, giving rise to phenomena we once thought inexplicable. Paragraph 4. The geometry of the cosmos. A compact three-sphere classical cosmology has long pictured the universe as an infinite, flat expanse. However, if we take P psi sub-void sub seriously, the universe appears as a compact three-dimensional sphere, a three-sphere, S equals 3. Its geometry is elegantly described by volume, V equals 2 pi wide R free tound, surface area A equals. This compact geometry naturally explains the uniformity of the cosmic microwave background and resolves the horizon problem without resorting to artificial inflation. Space is not an endless, featureless plane. It is a curved, self-contained structure actively molded by the vacuum. Answer 5. Reassessing established theories. For decades, Einstein's introduction of the cosmological constant Lil was seen as a way to keep the universe static. When expansion was discovered, he famously called it his greatest mistake. Yet, Lil was later revived to account for dark energy. What if, instead, we recognize that dark energy is inherent to the vacuum itself? Similarly, many popular theories, like those advanced by Roger Penrose, have captured public imagination with ideas of cyclic universes and quantum consciousness. However, these theories often fall short. They are incomplete, contradictory, and sometimes overly hyped. In stark contrast, the work of Grigori Perelman offers a rigorous mathematical foundation that remains underappreciated. Perelman's proof of the Poincare conjecture and his insights into the fractal bind of reality reveal a universe where self-similar fractal structures pervade from quantum scales to cosmic scales. This fractal architecture, now gaining deserved attention, seamlessly aligns with the predictions of sub-void. 6. The implications for modern physics. Let's summarize what this means for our understanding of the universe. The vacuum is not empty. It is a dynamic, structured field that actively shapes all physical processes. Light interacts with the vacuum. Its propagation is governed by the underlying dynamics of pi psi sub void, linking its behavior directly to dark energy. Dark energy is no longer mysterious. It naturally emerges from the negative pressure and energy fluctuations of the vacuum. The universe is a compact three-sphere. This geometry explains cosmic uniformity and negates the need for artificial inflation. Outdated theories lose ground. While ideas like Einstein's Lell and Penrose's cyclic models have historical importance, they are outclassed by the rigorous Das predictive insights emerging from Perelman's work and the concept of the fractal bind of reality. This new perspective eliminates the need for extraneous parameters or the reliance on mysterious forces. Instead, the answers lie within the vacuum itself, the very fabric of our universe. 7. The road ahead. In our next video, we will delve into the observational evidence supporting this model. We'll explore detailed calculations, analyze cosmic data, and reveal how the interplay of vacuum dynamics and geometric structures like the three-sphere can account for the behavior of dark energy, the propagation of light, and the evolution of space itself. Subscribe to Orpheus Praxis. Here, we leave mysticism behind and embrace the rigorous, transformative science that unveils the true nature of reality.